So here's the first example. We have 3 to get through. So the first thing is to find a base where I can rewrite these 2 numbers that are currently the base exponent, base exponent. I want to rewrite these 2 numbers with the same base. So I can't rewrite 3. There's no way to make 3 smaller. But I can rewrite 27 as 3 to what exponent? 3 to the third. Now 3 to the third is 27, but I don't have an answer up here of 27. I have an answer of 1 over 27. So to accommodate the 1 over 27, this has to be negative. The only reason that exponent is negative is because it's 1 over 27. Okay, I put this in parentheses. I put this in parentheses with the x plus 2 behind. Once you've found the same base, you cancel out the base. And now we will go ahead and distribute, but there's nothing here to distribute, so I get to bring down x plus 5. Over here, I distribute the negative 3 to both items, giving you negative 3x minus 6. And then I just solve for x. So I'm going to choose to move the x's to one side and the 5 to the opposite side. And my final answer is negative 11/4. Okay, it's an AZ Merit. It's a quiz question. It's a test question. And you want to make sure, and you have enough time, that this is the correct answer. Ultimately, when I take this answer and I substitute in for x, the left side should equal the right side. So first I'm going to check, what is 11 divided by 4? Well, 11 divided by 4 is 2.75. So this is equivalent to negative 2.75. You're welcome just to watch this. 3 raised to, in parentheses, negative 2.75 plus 5. I get 11.8 with some decimals. So left side is 11.8. If that's the correct answer, this will also equal 11.8. Now I have 1 over 27 in parentheses raised to the negative 2.75 plus 2. I also get 11.8, which means this is the correct answer. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, the second problem. 100 raised to the x subtract 3 equals 1,000 raised to the 3x plus 5. What is the smallest number I can rewrite 100 as? Base of 10. 10 squared, and 1,000 is 10 cubed. Now in past classes, I was asked, why are these numbers, these exponents, not negative? The reason why is because this is not 1 over 100 or 1 over 1,000 like we saw with the 27. Okay, bases cancel, and now I'm going to distribute the 2. 2x minus 6 and 9x plus 15. I'm going to choose to move the x's this time personally over to the right, the 15 over to the left, and negative 3 is my answer. Again, how could we check to see if we did it right? Plug it in, and the left side is going to have to go to the right side. Next problem you are going to do with the help of your partner. I'll give you a head start, and then I will begin on it. This is x plus 1, and this is x plus 7. X plus 1 and x plus 7. So each one of these, yes, I could write them as a 9, but is there a smaller number? You have to go to the smaller number. So this is 3 squared. It is negative 2 because the 9 is on the bottom. And this is 3 to the 4th, and it is positive because it is not 1 over 81. Evelyn, don't fall asleep. Final answer is x equals -5. I will say the most common mistake I see is that students forget to distribute to both items.